I come all the way in here in the Legian, or it's near Seminyak actually, or whatever, and forgot my camera. Had to run all the way home and get my camera and back. So it took me another 25 minutes to go home and back. And anyway, from here I'm going to walk down. We're on Jalan, Legian or Rayo, Seminyak, and maybe walk down to Bintang Market, see if the pie society's open and grab a pie for brekkie. Okay, let's get into it. See you later, darling. So this is a good material shop, this one. She only comes here for a certain few things, not too much. It's right on, this is Jalan Nakula, so it's right on the corner of Nakula. Arjuna goes right down to the beach, 66 Road, and that's a really good material shop. They've got unusual patterns that a lot of other places don't have, you know, so. Anyway, we're gonna head up here towards, there's a lot of people walking around here. A lot of people actually, Westerners, do sort of, in the mornings I've noticed, you know, 10 o'clock in the morning, they all head to Bintang Market, I suppose, getting their little daily supplies to put in the fridge in their hotels and things like that, you know. So and there's a few little places to eat down here, not too many, but a few. But they do have really good pies down here, so what I'm going to do is try and head down here and see what's going on. Now the Haven, this is actually a hotel and that here, but a lot of people come here to eat. Apparently it's got really good food in here, the Haven. So this is it here, the Haven Hotel Suites. Stonewall. Bingo, every Saturday. Bingo. That's something I haven't seen. Looks like it's a little bar or something. I don't know whether I've even noticed it before or if it's new or what. Alright, so you might have seen little motorbike rental place. I put in a video like about a year ago. And he's got a little roof over his, a little roof now. Hey bro. Right, so there's some little souvenir shops here, bag shops. Hats. Always on the watch for a new hat. And there's a shoe shop. Now I just bought these shoes in Surabaya. They're Airwalks and they were 400,000. They're really good, but these are a lot of the fake Reeboks and Nikes and stuff like that. But, hey mate, how are you? Say hello for YouTube. What's the name of your shop? SIM card. SIM card here, SIM card laundry, there's a little sign. It's on Jalan Raya Seminyak, and he's got all the football jumpers and that in there. Alright. And bags. Oh, girls' bags, yeah. Another bag shop. Anyway, bro, thank you. The Sun Island. Between Villas, Spa, Seminyak. There's so many things that you just don't see when you're walking around, when you're driving around, sorry. Because you're looking at the road and you just don't see it any. There it is. So here's a big souvenir shop, this one. Seminyak Art Village. I don't think I've ever been in here either. It's basically all souvenirs, wood carvings. Yeah, it's a big shop. A lot of wood carvings, nicks and knacks, just souvenirs. Shops like this are pretty good actually. There's a fair few people walking around. There's another Royal shop footwear. Hey bro, how are you?
Hey, nice one bro. Aku dah bilang bro.
Ini baru ini.
Murah-murah bro. That's very cheap.
Murah ya. Ini like 35 on Shopee.
Murah-murah lah. Murah-murah. Apa tu?
How much your hats for YouTube? YouTube.
No, this.
Right. Oh, you can see yourself there, of course. Very handsome.
Brother.
Very handsome.
Very cheap, brother.
Oh, yeah. Very good. Oh, I don't need a hat.
Sure, brother.
Just filming, mate. Oh, what are you selling him? What's the name of your shop? I'll give you a plug. Aniko. How do you say it?
Yes.
Aniko.
Yeah.
Aniko shop. Sunglasses, bag, perfume, hat and belts. So he's got a good little shop here. He's probably about 100 metres from Bintang Market here, a little tiny shop. When do you sell perfume?
Nice one.
Little bags, shoulder bags, sunglasses and hats. Anyway, bro, got to keep walking.
Thank you, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, see you later.
Now this here, Ryoshi, is a famous sushi place, Ryoshi. It's been open for years and years and years and years. It used to be up there further in Legian years ago. Ryoshi Japanese restaurant. It's not too bad actually. Sort of a little bit pricey, but it's very, very good quality and one of the better higher class sushi places around. It's worth a try. So these shops are always just changing all the time, these shops. What's this? Bali Bogus, gift and souvenir. The Punjabi Grill, Indian cuisine. There's a lot of Indian restaurants in Bali now, especially over near Tuban. There's many. So the Australian dollar right at the BMC, these are the best money changes, BMC or the Central, 12,050. So the dollar was down to 11,000 something, now it's back up over 12 again. Now these are Kimi farmers. Kimi farmer everywhere. They're a chemist shop, pharmacy, so they've always got a doctor attached. So if you go in there and ask for medicine, like most of the apothecs, you can just go in and buy anything you want without a script, but go in there, they'll make you see the doctor, and it's not much, like $10 or something to see the doctor. So, but even if you are a bit sick, well, you know, they got a doctor there. So I think we're just about here at Bintang Market, and I'm going to see if this Pie Society is open. The ambulance. Right, hopefully they're open. Last time they weren't open, I was in here. Oh, I don't think he's open again. I think it's closed still. Ah, it is too, damn. They've got really good pies. Bit pricey, but they're really good. So this is a little Pie Society truck, this one, but he's not open. He's got the best pies. They're a bit pricey, about 65,000 or something like that, but he's not open, and last time I come here he wasn't open either. So this is the Bintang supermarket here. I won't go in because there's nothing I need to get in there really. So, but it's very popular, and it's full of Westerners, look. So a lot of people come here just get their stuff and their stocks and that for the hotel room, you know. Alright, so that was a failed mission. Here down the side of Bintang Market there's a bunch of little shops and a couple of restaurants and that on the other side. But this is Chicken Run there. There's a few chicken runs around. There's one on Sunset Road, a big one. And they've got the rotisserie chickens. They're not quite ready or open yet. Just starting up for the day. And Chicken Run's good. You can get it on Grab Food, Gojek Food, stuff like that. If you want a nice, decent chicken, yeah, Chicken Run. Alright, so we'll head back towards, I suppose, back towards Yuli. So there's a lot of Aussies here coming here because there's a lot of villas and everything around here, around Seminyak, and this is one of the most easy to get to, I suppose, places for this area is Bintang Supermarket. And it is a pretty good shop. You can get a fair few little Western items and that there too, you know. Oh, don't forget the cheese. Hey? Right, so they're doing something up in here. I don't know what it's going to be, but probably a new little restaurant or something in there. Warrell Fuji Garden, it says. Whether it's still going to be that, I'm not sure. Alright, so you got a little brass shop. And the name for brass is Kuningan. And yeah, a few shirts, mainly brass, gold plated, fake gold, stuff like that. Right, so maybe we should cross over this time, do the other side of the road. I did this road all the way, this side all the way down. So we'll cross over if we can get across. We'll see what's going on over there. Alright, so we've got a little tiny gungy. It's just about 50 metres from Bintang Market. I've got he's got a little shop in the side of the laneway here. Sunglasses, hats. Hey bro?
Yeah.
All the football jumpers. A lot of people are after the football jumpers. Alright, this is his little shop here. Iqbal shop. And it's just basically t-shirts and stuff like that. Yeah. I wonder what's down there. It's probably a little rooms or something down there, hotel or something down there. Alright. There's so many little hidden places around everywhere, you know. So I'll cross over and see what's going on over here. So yeah, as I said before, the BMC Money Exchange, the most trusted money exchange. They'll never rip you off there. I've never been ripped off there. They've got BMCs, they're all over Bali, they're everywhere. It's a nice little place. What's this one? Laneway, everyone welcomes. Hello. Baru ini what? Baru ini?
Yeah, it's baru, but this one no.
Oh, right.
Also.
So there's one on the back. All right. Yeah. It's a nice little coffee shop. It's very long, very big, isn't it? It's called the laneway, I suppose, because this was a laneway. Do you have food or just coffee?
Yes, we have food and coffee.
All right.
Yeah.
Right. Just doing for YouTube. So
You're right.
I'll give your place a plug.
Thank you.
All right. So what's your name?
My name is Nina.
Nina.
Yes.
Are you Balinese or?
No.
Oh no. Oh, because it must be Thursday.
Yeah, this
You must wear kabaya on Thursday.
Yeah.
So there's one thing, you see girls dressed up all beautiful in their kabaya, the Bali dress.
Yes.
And the governor set that a few years ago that every Thursday everyone must wear Bali dress, doesn't matter where you're from, yeah? Like that. All right, anyway, nice to meet you.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you. Bye.
All right, so yeah, a lot of the times the little Balinese girls and that you think are Balinese are not Balinese. They're from Java or something, but on Thursdays everyone has to wear Bali dress, and that was set by the governor. Anyway, this is a little bikini shop. Decoyo, little swimsuit and bikini shop. Yeah, I'll have to get Yuli down here to update her bikini. They're getting a bit outdated. Little salon, Kimberley Spa. Another bag shop. But those are little tiny places Yuli goes and buys are suppliers, and they're the ones, these shops buy off all those little suppliers that Yuli buys off. So she gets them a lot cheaper, you know. What's this? Papalese Taiwan noodle and dumplings. Taiwanese beef noodle soup, 150,000. Wow, that's really expensive. Wow, that's expensive prices. Look at this. A bowl of spicy tiger prawn chicken ramen, 145. No wonder there's no one in there. Hey, it looks like I got a couple of people over here. How are you? All right, I'll come over and talk to these people. How are you?
Good, mate.
So you watch the channel, do you?
Absolutely.
All right.
Yeah.
I must be from New Zealand. Huh? So what are you doing in Bali? How long have you been here?
Holiday.
We've been here for over a month.
All right.
A couple more weeks ago.
All right. Do I know you already?
No.
No.
Look very familiar, your face.
Definitely know you.
Huh? Yeah.
We follow all your vlogs.
Yeah. So what have you been doing? Just relaxing, hanging around?
Been around this the door.
Oh, yeah?
Next Legian. So.
What, moving around, staying? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is sort of a good area, really, you know, like.
It is and it's close to everything.
Yeah, well, between Kuta's sort of not much there anymore, but
Yeah, I know.
from Legian through to Seminyak, it's pretty good these days, you know. Yeah. So how much longer you got here?
Couple more weeks.
Couple more weeks? Oh, it's a good holiday.
I know.
So what about flights from, how long is it to fly from New Zealand?
9
9
hours.
hours?
9 hours? Is it that long?
Yeah.
You got to go to Sydney first or something?
Straight,
All right.
sorry.
Directly there.
All right. Yeah, I suppose it is a few hours past Australia, isn't it? Yeah, right. So what's tickets cost?
Well, they were 6,700.
How much?
6,700 with two.
1,600.
Yeah.
So what's anything exciting you've done since you've been here? Anything special?
No, we've done it all, eh? So
Already done it
when
all?
the family come over and this is their first time, we take them up who would do the bikes.
Oh, right.
UTVs.
Oh, he did the four-wheelers.
Yeah.
Right.
With the grandchildren and
All right.
So we do
You
the
got
whole-
grandchildren?
Yeah.
You don't look that old.
oh, I've got a lot of grandchildren.
We're not far off from you, mate. We're not far off.
So how many times have you been to Bali before?
About 10ish.
10?
Yeah. Yeah. Not past COVID.
Oh, right. I wonder what you're doing.
Yeah, we missed them in COVID like everybody else.
Yeah. Actually, it was good here in COVID. I was here right through COVID. And
Yeah, that would have been lovely.
it sort of went quick. It's sort of like missing time in your life. You know, like all of a sudden it's finished, and it was over 2 years, you know.
Yeah, it was.
And it was good because you could get around and just go anywhere, you know, really quickly.
And it was empty.
Yeah, but nothing was open. Everything was closed. So,
Yeah,
but out where I live, it's just locals, and it was sort of just business as usual out there. So,
Yeah.
but in here it was just like a ghost town. But
What are you vlogging down here? Just
my wife's buying on the corner in Arcula's a big clothing shop there, like
Oh,
a
Oh, yeah.
material shop.
Material.
So
Yeah,
she doesn't buy much there, but they got some designs she can't get.
Oh, yeah.
So sometimes she buys there, and once she does that, I just
Ah, nice.
go for a walk.
Yep.
All right. So where you been, Bintang Market?
Yeah.
Bintang.
Yeah, everyone gets busy with tourists down there, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's hectic.
It's a good spot. They got a few comforts of home there, haven't
Yeah,
they?
they have.
Yeah.
So we just go down there, duck down there for staying over here at the Sun Island.
All right. Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah. We usually stay there for like 2 months.
Oh, really?
2 months.
Yeah. Right.
So we're doing a month.
That's the go. If you just come for a week, you don't see anything. You haven't got time, have you?
Yeah.
You got to sort of hang around, and you got time to relax if you want to do nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah.
If you want to go to the beach, we just go out to the beach.
Yeah.
Go out there for the day, have some Bintang,
All right.
sit out there.
Well, anyway, it's really good to meet you.
Nice meeting you
And
too.
I'll shake your
Have a
finger
beautiful day.
and grab my microphone.
Have a great
So many people have walked off with this before. So, anyway, it's good to meet you. Drop a comment and on one of the videos, I'll know who you are.
Oh, definitely.
All right.
Have a lovely day.
Well, nice to meet you. All right. Oh, he's got fish. Oh, it's the foot spa. So these are the little fish they put.
Put your hand in.
You put your feet in there, and the little fish eat all the dead skin off.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Yeah.
First customer for today.
Oh, this is that big souvenir shop I looked at on the way up. Yeah, right. So they got a little spa section on the front with the fish.
I will take photo for you.
Oh no, just vlogging for YouTube.
Oh, video for you. Put on YouTube. You do this one.
You put your feet in there. Come on, put your hand in there. I'll film it.
Hey, I do every day for you.
Right.
Put you by yourself.
No, I'm not gonna go. I've got my shoes on.
Yeah, easy.
All right, bro. Anyway. Right. All right. So he's desperately trying me to get in and try his little fish foot spa. Construction site going on here. I wonder what they're building. Looks like that's been sitting for a long time. Well, it has, this one. Actually, it might be another site. They're just filling in this land by the look of it. So, looks like there's another site at the back. So they're not going to restart this one. Oh, this is that stone wall, the bingo place. Drag show, pool table and cocktail. So it's a bar and it's got a drag queen show in here. Now look at this shop, the wig shop. Sells all these plaited wigs and stuff. A wig shop, how unusual is that? And peek through the fence here and have a little sticky beak. It's a great big, I don't know what it's going to be. It wouldn't be a warehouse on Legian Street. It'd have to be some type of shop or giant restaurant or something, I suppose. Alright. See what you want?
They don't have much selection because the price is up.
It's a big shop, this one. And they got all sorts of designs that just no one else has got, so sit down and relax on the front. Alright, that's about the end, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that. I'll see you on the next one.